Hello, my name is Jenny Miranda and my pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm the Director of Operations for the IDEA Engineering Student Center. Our flagship summer program, the Summer Engineering Institute, is aimed at supporting the successful transition of incoming freshmen to their engineering studies at UC San Diego.
Hi, my name is Karcher. I'm a teaching professor in the School of Engineering in the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. Summer Engineering Institute is a great space to make a friend, build community. I think that it complements our courses nicely.
There's a multitude of concrete benefits that students gain from participating in the Summer Engineering Institute. Number one, they complete 6 credits of engineering coursework. Number 2, they gain familiarity and first-hand experience with using academic resources like tutoring, office hours. Number 3, they learn to physically navigate through the campus. And number 4, they begin forming peer networks. As a result, students who participate in the Summer Engineering Institute feel more prepared to start college in fall, and they have a network of peers that they can continue to connect with during their first year in college and beyond.
EC5 is a great class. Students dig into team projects. They learn, go from very different backgrounds to learning all these different things about ECE, from different perspectives, analog circuits, digital design, robots, control theory. All that you can think of gets wrapped up into these projects that you build on a team. I think a lot of students that enter EC5 don't know yet what they want to do, and ECE offers a lot for these students, so it's a good place to get a little bit of perspective and hopefully launch your academic and career goals. I really like at the end of the 5-week session when everything starts to build up and they're working on their final robots, when things actually start breaking, and of course it's a very stressful moment, but then as a group they actually come together, they get a lot of help, and they compete at the end, and it's a very wonderful, special experience. Students come from all different backgrounds, and they have a lot of support from the faculty, staff, tutors, Envision staff here. We're able to do so much across the School of Engineering, and then they all go out in different areas, different ambitions, different goals, and it's just a great spot to meet people and grow from there.
My advice for people who are interested in applying is just to do it. Getting exposure to how classes work, how professors are, how to work with my peers, meet people, ended up becoming more valuable because it was not just like a summer program where I go to workshops. I actually was getting class credit. I was actually learning, getting a head start in my degree.
And because we were all housed together back when SEI was in person, we were able to go and have like adventures over the weekend when classes finished, just be like, hey, you want to grab dinner kind of thing.
We went on hikes around San Diego. We hiked down to the beach.
When I'm around a lot of unfamiliar people and big groups of people especially, I can really shut down and really get really shy. The program did a very good job of being cognizant of the fact that some people shut down in big groups and having activities with smaller groups, and as a result of that I was able to build some meaningful connections with the people within SEI.
And I remember during SEI, towards the very end, we had this banquet and one of the peer facilitators gave this speech, and he said, these friends that you make here in this program are the type of friends that you'd want at your wedding. And at that point I was like, what is this person even talking about? But in hindsight right now, me in my 4th year with the friends that I made from this program being my very closest friends who I would consider family, thinking, oh my God, he was right. Like if I get married, I would want them at my wedding, you know?
And those connections and friendships gave me a huge advantage when I first moved, during the fall quarter at UCSD.
Being able to start school in the fall, in September, knowing, at least, 10 people in all my classes basically, which was just amazing because, you have people you can study with, you have people who can help keep you responsible and keep you on task, and you can also do the same for them.
Whilst you're in SEI, really don't be afraid to put yourself out of your comfort zone and do things that you didn't necessarily do before, because again, this is like a completely different group of people. You're going to a whole nother school, a whole nother city.
Professionally, some of my favorite parts about SEI was some of the workshops that we had, such as ones that talked about research, internship experiences, and all the other like different opportunities we have.
Getting an internship was something that I didn't know was a possibility until I had attended SEI. Reaching that goal that I had set for myself in getting that internship would not have been possible without the resources that the SEI exposed me to. SEI has allowed me to forge my own path for success.
Making me fall in love with UCSD from the start.
SEI is a lot of things, but I feel like the biggest thing at this point is SEI is family.